Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the just released Topps Chrome Hobby. 2023, Topps Chrome is going to have one autograph per hobby box, 24 packs a box, and 4 cards per pack. So this is going to feature the Orioles rookies, Gunnar Henderson, Adley Rutschman. Also, we're going to have Anthony Volpe, Jordan Walker, Michael Harris II for the Braves. So we have a lot of rookies to chase in this class. If you watched our jumbo break, which most of you did, you saw the 3 autographs in that one. A little bit different format here with hobby. So we do have these on our website, sportszonetoyscomics.com. They're going to be $179 a box. They are going to do the MVP buyback again. Like on this, you can scan the QR code for details. So as of now, Ohtani and Acuna would win the MVPs, and you would collect them like you did last year. Austin Riley's having a great season. Lewis Robert. And George Springer. Jose Miranda, we got a first refractor. That's a rookie refractor, Luis Ortiz. The rookie of Vinny and Bubba Thompson. Christopher Morel. We got an Austin Riley refractor. Cody Clemens rookie. Matthew Lieberthal. Sorry. That is not Matt Lieberthal. Shohei Ohtani. I'll definitely be saving those. Looks like a runaway, the MVP for him. Cedric Mullins. Our first future stars, it's a George Kirby. We have a pink refractor that is not numbered. Rookie. Rafael Devers, CJ Abrams. Sometimes I get rushing through and mispronounce the names, so thanks for pointing that out. We have a Prism refractor, Austin Riley. So not numbered as well. Freddie Freeman, Bo Bichette. We got 3 different refractors, none which are numbered. The hobby had quite a bit of numbered. There's a Nolan Gorman rookie. That's like the black and white Stapia. That's awesome. So that'll definitely send a PSA. It looks like it's in good condition. Please send yours in as well. Soon coming to all our hobby boxes. When you buy from us, we're going to have our own supplies, so we'll include some of those. Just stay tuned for details on that. Starling Marte Prism. Josh Smith rookie. Looking like the cards are pretty centered. They're coming out of the box pretty nice, so that's good. There's Vaughn Grissom, rookie for the Braves. So refractor. Anthony Rizzo. Zach Gallen. Nothing yet, huh? Tyler Stevenson. Max Scherzer, refractor, Clayton Kershaw, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. If you stop in the store, you can buy these by the pack as well. DJ LeMahieu, another refractor. There's Ethan Small rookie. Really appreciate you watching. The channel's been blowing up lately, so thanks for sharing with your friends and liking the videos and subscribing. Greatly appreciate that. Oh, yeah. There is a refractor rookie of Gunnar Henderson. That is awesome. That is one definitely to send a PSA. Only 20 bucks right now. Card. Francisco Alvarez, another good rookie to get. A Titans, Clayton Kershaw. It's our first Titan out of the box. Carlos Correa. And Anthony Rendon. 24 packs, so we get a bunch of packs. Nice, actually. Jake McCarthy, Mike Trout Titan, Ozzie Albies, and Logan Webb. We are getting down there on the packs. Spencer Steer, rookie. Joe Musgrove. There's Oscar and Nick Ludo. Yu Darvish. Oh, this is a rough one. There's our auto to $4.99. James Outman, rookie. It's good. There's Joey. And the last pack. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe. Jeter Downs, rookie. Another rookie in the 1988 throwback card. That's the first one of those. Andrew McCutchen, Jose Ramirez. Thanks again. I hope you enjoyed it. Few cards. When we get the PSA cards back, we'll let you see that video so you can see how we did. If you'd like to send them to us, send us an email or hit us up in the message on here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.